My friend Arlan Ismeña was here earlier, and you might remember him from some of our videos together, the Kwentong Tambay videos. Aside from collaborating with him on those things, we also collaborate on comic books. And his very first comic book project is the one we are working on. I'm writing it and he's drawing it. The title of the comic book is Where Bold Stars Go to Die. And well, probably you can guess from the title that the comic book is about it's about sex basically. And to say more would be spoiling it for those who want to read it eventually, one day. Since this is Arlan's first comic book project, I'm helping him along by doing the layouts of all the pages, and he's going to finish those pages on his own. And I just handed him earlier tonight the last 6 pages of the comic book, and I can't wait to see how it looks when it's all done. I don't know when it's going to come out. We're not really rushing it. It's going to be done when it's done.